Blogger outreach is all about building relationships with bloggers and influencers to create high quality backlinks to your website. It offers long-term value by increasing your search visibility and helps your pages rank higher on the search engines, which leads to more organic traffic, leads, and even better revenue. At Click Intelligence, we offer a scalable white label solution that's specifically designed for agencies looking to resell our services and marketing teams who might need help, but the lack of knowledge and time may be tricky for running successful link building campaigns. No industry is too big or too small. We create content and outreach sites for any niche imaginable. Our expert team has many years' experience working with specific niches from luxury travel through to specialist technology. To start your order, simply order via our online shop. You have the option to order non-approval or pre-approval. Choose pre-approval if you would like to approve the websites and content before we publish. To help us build the best links, we believe in using 4 search metrics rather than just the one. These include Moz Domain Authority, Majestic Trust Flow, Ahrefs Domain Rank, and most importantly, traffic. Once you've placed your order, you'll be assigned your own dedicated account manager. Your account manager will be in touch to confirm your order and ask relevant questions so that we can best determine how to tailor our service to your specific business needs. After that, our outreach team will start selecting high authority websites that fit your chosen metrics. When the site has been chosen, our talented team of writers will start creating content that will be written specifically for the publisher's audience. We will always naturally incorporate your anchor text in a piece of content. When the content is ready, it's then sent off to the publisher who manually reviews this article before publishing, and then the link goes live. Choose pre-approval and you get the final sign-off on the content before it goes live. Once your link is live, this will be reported to you by email and will be accessible through our online dashboard. We believe that the best relationships are the ones built on trust. That's why we take the time to carefully identify and connect you with the most relevant blogs and influential bloggers for your industry. Over the last 10 years, we've delivered more than 5,000 successful link building campaigns for clients across more than 40 industries, delivering a strong return on investment every time. Building high quality backlinks is seen as a sign of authority in the search engines, and in turn rewards you by showing you improvements in your keyword rankings and traffic. Get started today with our best-selling blogger outreach service. Say goodbye to time-consuming outreach and multitasking. We'll handle it all so you can focus on what you do best.